If you're tired of vacuuming and mopping taking up your weekends, this new robot from ECOVACS might just change that. The DEEBOT T30S AI is one of the most advanced cleaning robots I've tested. It doesn't just move around your house. It actually cleans like a pro. Right out of the box, it feels premium. The setup is super simple through the app, and it connects quickly to Wi-Fi. What really stands out is the suction power, 11,000 pascals. That's insane for a robot vacuum. It easily picks up pet hair, dust, and even heavier crumbs from carpets and hardwood floors. The mopping feature is impressive too. It uses a rotating mop pad that scrubs rather than just dragging a wet cloth, and it automatically lifts when it detects carpet. Plus, the auto-emptying and self-cleaning dock means you barely need to touch it for weeks. It empties its dust bin and washes its mop automatically. I also love the AI-powered obstacle avoidance. It recognizes cables, shoes, and even pet toys. No more robot versus sock drama. And the mapping system is crazy accurate. It quickly learns your floor plan and remembers different rooms. Now, for a few small downsides. It's not the quietest robot out there, especially when emptying the dustbin. And like most high-end models, it's definitely on the pricey side. But if you want top-tier cleaning with minimal effort, this is one of the best out there. Overall, I'd give the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S AI a solid 9.3 out of 10. It's powerful, smart, and basically runs your home's floor cleaning on autopilot. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the Amazon link down in the description.